Your Anzo headlights will help illuminate your nighttime driving and make a great aesthetic addition to your 2009 to 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. No splicing is required. These are the tools you'll need. Start by disconnecting your truck's negative battery terminal. Locate the 6 pins located at the top of the grille and remove them. Remove the plastic shroud and store in a safe place for later installation. Locate the 2 8mm screws by the fender shroud and remove them. Pull back the wheel well cover to expose the single 10mm bolt and remove it. Separate the bumper from the vehicle. Remove the 4 10mm bolts on top of the grille. Now, locate the 2 bottom pins that secure the grille to the front of the truck and remove them. Store your grille in a safe place for later installation. Remove the 2 10mm bolts holding the factory headlights in place. Pull back the wheel well cover and locate the white locking pin and push up to release the lock. Remove the headlight assembly from the truck. Twist off the parking bulb and disconnect the headlight wire harness. Unclip the parking bulb from the wire harness. Reclip the parking light socket into your new Anzo headlight. Also, be sure to reclip the headlight wire harness into the new headlight. Repeat these steps for the other headlight. Once both headlights are installed, check the function of all your lights to ensure proper installation. Before driving your truck on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual, or watch our Aiming Your Anzo Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see our entire performance lighting products for your vehicle.